Oh, wow, Lily, this cafe smells so good. My, I could live here. I know, right? The smell of roasted coffee beans just makes me happy. And listen to that jazz music. Oh, it's so soft and classy, just perfect. To me, this place feels like a warm hug, far from all the noise outside. Totally, it's my little escape from the crazy world. Same here. I could sit here all day with my laptop. So what are you getting today, Lily? We should order. Maybe a green smoothie. It looks refreshing. Oh, Lily is trying to be healthy again. Hey, what's wrong with me being healthy? Nothing. Well, just so you know, a green smoothie may taste very much like grass. I don't care. As long as it helps my skin, I can stand it. Okay, I will have one large caramel macchiato then. Oh my, you and your sweet drinks. Don't judge me. Life's too short not to enjoy some sweets. Caramel is a girl's best friend. I can smell the caramel already. The barista just made one. Wow, it smells divine. You see, the universe is telling you to skip the green. You're evil, Emma. You always make me change my mind. I'm not evil, baby. I'm just saving you from drinking spinach in a cup. Okay, fine. Maybe just one sip of your macchiato later. Or maybe one full cup. Come on, live a little. You're impossible. Make it 2 caramel macchiatos, okay? Wait, I will keep the smoothie. I still need it for Instagram stories. You are so cunning. I love it.
Sophie, this park looks beautiful this morning, doesn't it?
It's like a painting, David. Why didn't you take me with you during your morning jog earlier?
Because you never asked. Wow, the air feels so fresh today.
I did not know there would be so many little animals. The sound of birds makes it feel peaceful.
Look, even the ducks are awake and swimming around happily.
Aw, they're so cute. I should take a picture of them.
Come on, Sophie, focus on your jog.
Come on, I need proof that I actually wake up early.
Proof? You mean pictures for Instagram?
Maybe. I like to inspire others, you know?
Inspire or show off?
Don't be jealous, honey. My followers love nature photos.
Sure, honey, but we have even better scenes later. Don't you want to get there?
Okay, let's go. I promise. I'll run seriously today.
Good. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, this path is so nice. The trees look amazing.
Sophie, don't get distracted. Keep your pace steady.
Wait, look at that sunrise. It's magical.
Sophie, please don't.
Just one photo, I swear. The light is perfect right now.
My, I knew it.
I can't help it. The fountain, the ducks, the light. It's all too beautiful.
You're running a photography marathon, not a fitness one.
Oh, come on. The trees look so pretty today. One last picture.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
Fine. I'll put my phone away now.
Thank you. Let's jog around the lake once.
Okay, but look at me first. Ready? Say fitness and fun.
Oh my, fine. Fitness and fun.
Wow, Jake, this new cinema looks amazing.
Told you, it's awesome. Look at those huge screens.
And that smell. Popcorn and butter, my favorite.
Same here. I could live in a popcorn shop.
The posters look so cool, too. So what movie do you want to watch?
Easy, the new action movie. I heard there are explosions, car chases, and everything awesome.
Oh no, Jake, that's so childish. Why don't you try that new movie, Love in Paris? My friends love it.
A romance again? That's too slow. People just cry and hug for 2 hours.
And in your movies, people just jump and fight for 2 hours.
At least they don't fall in love every 10 minutes.
Ha, you just don't understand emotions, darling.
Oh, really? I think you're scared of loud noises and car crashes.
And I think you're scared of feelings, honey.
Scared of feelings? Me? Never.
Then prove it. Watch a romantic movie and don't cry.
Huh, you think I'll cry? Please, I'm tougher than that.
Yeah, sure, you cried during The Lost Puppy, I remember.
That was dust in my eye, not tears.
You were clearly sobbing. Okay, how about this? Let's go for Night at the Haunted House.
Her. Oh, wow, you're serious.
Let's see who screams first. If you scream, you buy me popcorn and tickets for Love in Paris.
And if you scream, we go for the action one.
Challenge accepted.
Look, that Her movie starts in 10 minutes. Perfect timing. I will go grab the tickets, you take the popcorn.
Okay then, Mr. Tough Guy.
Bring it on, Miss Braveheart.
Whoa, Alex, this supermarket is huge. Look at all these aisles.
Yeah, man, it's the biggest supermarket in this town.
I feel like we could live here. Maybe we should. They've got everything. Pans, pillows, even beds. And toilet paper, don't forget that. We're running out already. True, let me grab some. So the kitchen is next, right? Yep, we need a pan, a pot, and maybe some plates. Look, Alex, that pan is giant. Perfect for cooking big meals. Nice pan, but it's too big, dude. We only cook for 2 people. But think about it. Big pan means big stir fries. You love stir fries, right? Yeah, but it's heavy and hard to clean. Come on, man, we can figure out a way. I mean, we have other options. What about this non-stick pan? Smaller, easier to wash, and uses less oil. Wow, that one is nice too. If the eggs don't stick, breakfast will look fancier. So we have 2 options now. What do you think? Why don't we just get both? You mean 2 pans? Who cares? We need to cook a lot. Ryan, we don't have that much space for 2 pans. Come on, I have always wanted more pans to make more dishes. If we buy 2 of them, I'll cook all the dishes. You have to do the dishes though. Wait, what? That's not a fair deal. Come on, you have delicious dishes. All right, fine. But we should stop arguing in the supermarket. People are looking. That's what roommates are for, right?
Hi, Liam. Wow, the salon looks amazing today. So bright and cozy.
Thank you, Clara. We just changed the lights last week. It feels fresh, right?
Totally. The music is relaxing too. I could fall asleep in this chair.
Don't fall asleep yet. You need to choose your nail color first.
Right, I'm going on vacation this weekend, so I need something perfect.
Ah, lucky you. So, what color are we thinking for this beach trip?
I'm not sure. Maybe blue? It matches the sea.
That's a great choice. Blue always gives a cool, calm vibe.
But beige is also nice. It looks like the color of sand.
Beige is classy, yes. Very quiet luxury, you know?
I love that, but red would match the dress I'm bringing.
Oh my, red on the beach? That's bold and fabulous.
This is so hard. Blue fits the water, beige fits the sand, red fits my dress.
Okay, let's think smart. What color matches everything?
White maybe? It goes with any outfit, right?
Nice choice. White is always simple, clean, and elegant.
I like that. It'll look great with my tan, too.
Perfect. And white reflects the sunlight beautifully on the beach.
Done. Let's go with white, Liam.
Always happy to help, darling. Now relax, close your eyes, and imagine the sound of waves.
I already feel halfway to the beach.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what is your favorite place in a city? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.